To set up a row-level security report with Podium BI, it's simple. Let's head to the report and click on the gear icon. You're going to notice a new section for row-level security reports, and it's asking for a role. This is the role that you created within Power BI Desktop, and you would enter that here. To preview the row-level security, you can click the I. At the top of the report, there's a message. This is a free version. To remove this label, a capacity must be purchased. We know that we already purchased capacity, so what do we need to do to remove this message? Let's go to the Power BI service. Click on the workspace that contains the row-level security. Click Workspace Settings, and then let's click on Premium. And all we're going to do is change the workspace from Pro to take advantage of our embedded. That's all there is to it. We're going to come back over to Podium BI and refresh this report. And the message is gone. There's a couple more steps we want to take. Most likely you have data sets for this workspace that need to be refreshed, maybe up to 8 times per day. And in order for these data set refreshes to work correctly, capacity needs to be turned on. And we know that Podium BI turns capacity off when it's not needed to help save money. So what we want to do is come over to Settings and go to Capacity Settings. And we're going to create a schedule for Monday, 8 a.m. We're going to go ahead and start this at 7:55, and let's run this for 2 hours and save and close. What this is going to do at 7:55 a.m., it's going to turn capacity on. That way our scheduled refreshes within the Power BI service will run seamlessly. There's one last step. Let's go to Settings and View Workspaces. So what we want to do is go ahead and tell it that the team scorecard workspace, that we went ahead and changed that to embedded. And what this is going to allow us to do is ensure that when we're turning capacity on and off, that for this one we know what the default setting is. It's that simple to add row-level security with Podium BI.
Reach out today and let us simplify your business intelligence. Podium BI, your data only smarter.